Harriet. How are you doing? I was just wondering if you could tell me how you felt before the first time you came kayaking.
Very nervous, very nervous. I'd done kayaking a long time ago, but not for many years and not since everything. And just meeting loads of new people, that it was very nervous.
And what made you think that you might come back again? The third time, in fact.
Yes, the third time. I think, I mean, it's lovely being on the water, and it's a lot more, it's not that much different actually after the amputation, but I think mostly it's really nice to be with other amputees and have people with similar experiences.
Yeah. And what do you like about being on the water particularly?
It's nice and gentle, and it's just very free. You don't feel sort of as disabled.
Okay. Right. So whenever you're not paddling, you put your paddle down and see how it's just
Think about you're zipping yourself up, Harriet, to keep you nice and stable.
It was really good. I'm absolutely knackered. But it was lovely and smooth. A lot easier actually once you get into a rhythm. A lot easier than I thought it would be. Just knackered.
So
The
just explain,
concentration.
Harriet, that you weren't paddling in a double anymore.
Yes.
You had to do it all by yourself in a single.
Yes.
So you had to steer and you had to keep the balance as well as paddle.
Yeah, the concentration on your core to keep stable, and doing the foot steering and the paddling at the same time. But it was really good.
You loved it?
Yes.
Great.